On the first day of Christmas, my true love gave to me a partridge in a pear tree. On the second day of Christmas, my true love gave to me 2 turtle doves and a partridge in a pear tree.
Time ko nakita pa. Look guys, ayan, phone. Tapos pwede mo siya yung ganun. Makikita mo yung sarili mo doon. Ay, ang galing. Nakaanipis niyo.
It's not a stick.
How much though? Mahal. Cute! Gusto ko yun. Ang cool! Punta tayo sa Best Buy guys after sa Home Depot. Sa New York. Ito ba? Pwede ba to? Nako. Uy. Ew. Wow, TV. We're here at Home Depot, guys. I wanted to see if they still have the Polaroid. It sailed yesterday, right? The film. Wala na masyadong tao. Kagabi, nadami yung pila. At this time, wala na. Kasi wala na rin silang tinda. Ha, anak ko? Oh, someone gave me that. Pwede ba sa phone ko yan? Pop. Ito, meron pa natira. Konti. 329. Usually in a small like Google Home. Ito na yung mga sale nila natitira. Wala na rin masyado ha. Oh, Nutribullet. Oh my god, I know what show it is. Let me just look for this. Hi! Ito yung gusto ko. Meron pala dito yung Michael Kors na Sophie. Yung touchscreen siya, guys. Gusto ko to. Gusto ko yung gold. Ito yung rose gold. $350. Yun yung gusto ko, guys. Ang ganda. Oh, found you. Minion.
Sit down. Sit down.
Ito yung dad, di ba? Daddy? Hindi naka-sale? Sila. Ang dami, guys. So.
Stay there, look. No pressure?
Wala. Look ko, may minions na silang design. Ang cute! 69. Tapos,
Right here by the apples. By the mackerel.
I hope it's sale. It's expensive if you paid full price.
If you go to Michael's, you get it for okay price because they always have a 40% off. Yeah. Or Amazon has it at okay price.
With the cute stuff too.
Yeah.
Ang dami pa nila, guys. So, ito yung mga faces nila. Cute. We're waiting. He's still checking how much. Okay, I'll buy this. So, parang $1 for 2, huh? Yay! Na-found namin. Ito mura lang. Huh?
A little more than that. Not bad.
I'm so happy.
Oh, my kit is on.
Oh, that's the camera, babe. I'm so happy. Dami. We'll make a lot of memories. Daddy, oh! Daddy!
Road? No, it's not the same.
Maliit. Shotgun mic.
It's better for cameras, not phone.
Is that a new one or the same as yours?
No, it's different.
This is the new ones.
So there's second gen, this one and then graphics.
Oh, $349. Save $50. Ooh, anipis. Pahipol na lang tayo, guys. Imagine, no, nag-e-edit ka dyan, guys. Char. Char. Yung perfect for gaming. Ayan, no, yan nga. Sabi ko sa'yo, eh.
Laptops there.
Nice. This is your laptop. No? Ang ganda, oh. Magkano ba to? $949.99 lang naman. Grabe. Here at Home Depot. Hey, flower. Yun ang how I love it. Oh, bebo. Diba? So cute! Saan ka, anak? Ah, gusto niya daw. Jenny! Anak ko! Look, oh, yung mga Christmas tree nila. I'm so excited for Christmas. We need to put up our Christmas tree. What's going on, Daddy? Nakalimutan. Black Friday pala. Ang daming tao. Look, yung Christmas decor nila. Look, anak ko! Ganda! Ng teddy bear na do. Yan ang gift mo sa akin. Cute! Cute! Ang daming tao, guys. Akala ko pag ano, ganitong oras, wala na masyado nang shopping. Ang dami pa rin pala. Eto ba yun? Cute to. Yung 3 Kings. Oh, ayun. Ganda. We're here at Home Depot. This one. Oh yeah, that one.
185, 200 something. 260.
Yun. This one? It's only one too. Grab it.
Shouldn't it be?
They're doing a Black Friday shopping here at Home Depot. Anak, shopping kayo dito sa Home Depot. Yeah. Feel like shit, guys. It's the time of the month. Daddy shopping siya. And shopping na ako online. Wala na ako pang shopping in store. Hassle talaga mo. Okay, daming tao yung makapag. Yan na, why are we here? Shopping si Daddy. Wait lang. Oh, papagalitan ka nila. Yeah. Yeah. Suot mo pala to. Suot mo to. Pull down your pants. Hold my hand. Saan ka punta? Shopping ka? Nakita mo. Nakita niya sa TV yun. Right here. Punta na ka, Daddy. Doon. Doon. Dito. Dito. This way. This way. This way. This way. There. Wait for Daddy. Okay, you try it again. Sit down. Go sit. Hold. Hold and sit. Let me see. Oh, cute. You want that? Huh? You want that? Without the balloon though. They're not giving it the balloon. Okay, we're getting it. Totoo. Which one you want? The dog? Dance ka, anak ko. Dance ka with him. Kalabas na naman yung dila niya. Oh. You're fun.